What's the Deal Live? We're out here in Northwest Dallas, taking a look at an off-market deal. 3,400 units, built in 1998. James, what do you know about this deal?
Whisper price, big, billions. 1.2 billion I think was the last whisper price on this guy.
So 40% down, it's about 400 million that you got to bring to close, maybe more. Yeah, what's the value add play?
Value add play is upgrade the units. A lot of meat on the bone on this guy. Last guy bought it in 2019. Come in, finish out the interior.
Yeah, plenty of revenue streams here, a lot of other income. As you can see, there's some retail below the units, and I think inside there's a lot of other potential income streams as well, right?
Yeah, definitely. A lot of ancillary income, whether it's slots or poker or blackjack here.
Is this one 2 in, 2 out, or?
This looks like 500 in, 500 out on payroll.
All right, let's go take a look.